Hello, and welcome to our exploration of futurist Ray Kurzweil's predictions on the exponential timeline of computing power and artificial intelligence as we head towards the singularity, following the trajectory of exponential growth. Central to Kurzweil's predictions is his concept of the law of accelerating returns, suggesting that technological progress is not a linear process but an exponential one, which he's already proven with empirical evidence over previous timelines. This means that unlike with linear growth, where equal progress is made in equal intervals of time, exponential progress doubles in each interval, meaning that affordable devices with the power of the human brain are just around the corner. So what does this mean for the power of artificial intelligence, and will it naturally become self-conscious? It's a fact that Kurzweil not only correctly predicted the explosive growth of the internet, mobile phones, and artificial intelligence, but he also predicted the timeline to the singularity. Along this timeline, he also correctly predicted that by the end of 2020, we have almost 1 exaflop of computing power, and that artificial intelligence would match or exceed human performance across a range of tasks. For the 2030s, Kurzweil anticipates neural interfaces that allow humans to connect their brains directly to cloud-based artificial intelligence. This would allow us to augment our own intelligence and abilities with the power of AI. Furthermore, Kurzweil predicted that in the 2030s, artificial intelligence will also completely reverse engineer the human brain, allowing it to create even more powerful AI systems that far exceed human performance by magnifying the structure and function of the human mind. He also predicts the widespread adoption of intelligent nanotechnology, allowing the manipulation of matter at the molecular and atomic levels, leading to the creation of highly efficient, miniaturized devices and systems, and revolutionizing sectors like healthcare and manufacturing. Kurzweil also foresees the emergence of full immersion virtual reality. Enabled by exponentially advanced AI and computation, virtual environments and their characters will be indistinguishable from physical reality, transforming entertainment, communication, and other forms of human interaction forever. In fact, Kurzweil predicts the 2030s to be when we achieve true artificial general intelligence, known as AGI, and quickly move towards the event horizon of the singularity. But that's just the beginning. Shockingly, this exponential growth in computing power will give a single $1,000 device the computational power of all human brains combined, all by 2030. But Kurzweil's most profound prediction is the advent of the singularity. He predicts that this will occur around 2045. The singularity refers to a hypothetical future point where artificial intelligence will have progressed to be far greater than human intelligence, radically changing civilization in an event which he describes as the intelligence explosion. In this era, the pace of technological growth will be so rapid and its impact so deep that human life will be irreversibly transformed. This includes the idea that our biological bodies and brains could be enhanced by technological augmentations, or that human consciousness might even be uploaded to an artificial medium. Kurzweil has even more bold and controversial predictions that are already well underway toward becoming reality, raising both exciting possibilities and profound philosophical questions about the meaning of everything. One such prediction is that humans and machines will merge both physically and mentally, allowing humans to transcend their biological limitations, like aging and disease, leading to a world where people could theoretically live indefinitely. He predicts that humans will also become increasingly non-biological as we replace our cells and internal organs with more durable and efficient nanotech devices to achieve immortality. Kurzweil predicts that by 2045, $1,000 will procure a computational capacity 1 billion times greater than the combined brainpower of all humans today. And while Kurzweil acknowledges that the exponential surge in computing power will eventually reach a ceiling, he estimates this threshold to be trillions-fold beyond what's required to achieve the singularity. Kurzweil's predictions grow even more remarkable for the 2050s, as he envisions a world where artificial intelligence is seamlessly embedded in everything: our bodies, clothes, homes, and cities, forming a symbiosis with AI that reshapes how we live, work, and play. But it doesn't stop there. As we head towards the latter half of the 21st century, Kurzweil sees a future where most of our lives will be spent in highly immersive, physically convincing virtual realities. These alternate realities could be as real and meaningful as our current physical existence, transforming how we perceive and interact with the world. Kurzweil's vision of the future extends beyond our planet. He predicts that advancements in nanotechnology will enable us to build spacecraft small enough to travel at near light speeds. This could open the door for us to explore and potentially colonize other star systems, spreading human presence throughout the cosmos. By 2100, if Kurzweil's predictions hold true, our civilization will have advanced to a point where we are harnessing all matter and energy to fuel our intelligence. He suggests that humanity's destiny is to saturate the universe with our intelligence, creating a cosmos buzzing with consciousness. This is Kurzweil's vision of the future, a world where artificial intelligence, human intelligence, and the very fabric of reality are intertwined. It's a future where we overcome our biological limitations, explore other galaxies, and redefine what it means to be human. But Kurzweil doesn't shy away from the challenges and ethical considerations this future presents. He calls for careful consideration and ethical stewardship of these technologies to ensure that they are used for the betterment of humanity. Furthermore, Kurzweil says the 2023 call for a halt on massive AI experiments is too ambiguous, impractical, and is unlikely to be heeded by global competitors. He also highlights the potential negative impact that such a halt would have across various sectors where AI is proving beneficial. Meanwhile, critics have raised numerous concerns against Kurzweil's theories, asserting that his accuracy rate sits around 86%, and similar to Nostradamus, his forecasts are often open to various interpretations. Some of his predictions that he counts as successes are deemed by many as misses. A notable example is his forecast for the commonplace presence of autonomous vehicles by 2009. And Kurzweil has recently made a bold adjustment for his prediction about human longevity, expecting humans to achieve immortality within the next 8 years. He envisions a future where our neocortex expands, enhancing our capabilities and attributes. He muses, we're going to be more engaging, more adept at creating music, and even more appealing. In Kurzweil's future, the qualities we value in humanity will not just persist but magnify. He sees a time where all human physical needs are met, a world where scarcity is an antiquated concept. He further posits that our minds will expand, enabling us to exemplify the artistic qualities that we hold dear to an even greater extent. This future he paints as one of abundance, growth, and expression. Just a few short years ago, the concepts of artificial general intelligence and the singularity were relegated to science fiction. But nowadays these notions are viewed as eventualities. We are currently at the beginning of the age of intelligent machines, where over 80% of human jobs will be automated by robots, and most human-level knowledge and physical abilities will no longer be marketable in comparison to the synthetic services.